It's the Aspiring Actors Guide to New York.
Yeah. What is up, party people? Today we are talking about the audition room, specifically sides, specifically where to look when you're doing sides. I was talking to one of my friends recently about this, and I thought, hey, that'd be a great thing to do an episode of Aspiring Actors Guide about. And that's what we're going to do. So, you're going to an audition, maybe you got a call back, maybe this is an initial appointment, and they want you to do sides in the room. And you got a reader that you're doing your sides with. Sometimes that reader's going to be reading for 3 or 4 different characters. So choose the character that you think has the most emotional impact in the scene with your character and make the reader that character. Make eye contact with that reader. Play to the reader when you're reading to that character. And then when the reader's playing one of the other characters, choose different focal points throughout the room where those people exist. Don't make those people the people at the table. Never make eye contact with the people at the table. Put those people in the room and imagine that there are actually people standing there. And yeah, the only time you want to make eye contact with the people behind the table is when you're introducing yourself before the scene. But while you're actually doing the scene, or you're actually singing a song, or you're actually doing your thing, don't make eye contact with them, because every single casting director I've ever spoken to is like, that's super awkward. Please don't do that. Keep in mind that you should hold your sides in front of you. If it's not a cold read, you should be pretty much memorized and have the sides in your hand only as a gentle reminder where you are if you ever get lost. Sometimes you're going to have to deliver sides cold. Sometimes you're going to walk into the room, you're going to do your sides, and they're going to go, you know what? Actually, we think you might be better for this other character. So yeah, take 10 minutes and then come back to us. Or they might even say, just read it on the spot, see what you can give us. In which case, you're not necessarily going to be able to choose those focal points in advance. I'll usually just do 2 focal points. Your reader, and then if they have a camera in the room, on the other side of the camera. You're clearly changing focal points. You're not just like moving 3 inches. If you're on the other side of the camera, it's very clear because your head's turning. Make sure that you are collaborating with your reader. Pay attention to what they have to say and respond accordingly. Don't just say your lines and then go dead in the face, or say your lines and then drop down onto the page and read where your next cue is. Say your line, try to engage with what the reader is saying, and then respond accordingly. Exactly where you're supposed to due to the script, but the best thing you can do in an audition room when you're reading sides is listen. So, tune in next week when we discuss a different thing. If you like this channel, subscribe. I'll be releasing new videos every Theater Thursday at 3. Write in the comments below if you have any questions or concerns, or you want to know anything about the world. Yeah, that's lofty. I don't know that I can deliver on that, but give it a go. So, thanks for coming out. Chase your dreams. Cheers. Yeah. God dang. I have to poop.